Hurricane Milton is barreling towards Florida while some residents living in the path of the storm are boarding up their homes and hunkering down. A lot of others are leaving town.
And some are making their way to Chicago for safety. And WGN's Brona Tumulty chatted with some of them arriving at O'Hare this evening, which is where she joins us now with their stories. Brona?
Good evening, guys. Yeah, your heart really goes out to the folks that we met here today. They have left their homes in Florida not knowing what they are going to return to. And all of that is happening even as Chicagoans head south to see how they can help.
This one's real. It's real. Coming up through the Gulf with the shelf and the water storm surge coming in. It's, as a Floridian, super scary.
Deb McGuire and her husband Andy flew in this evening from Sarasota.
This is the first time I'm nervous about it. It's a Cat 5 right now coming straight into Tampa. It looks like it's going to be a little south of Tampa, but the eye will be is currently right at our house, is right where it's focused right now.
Andy's from here and a Florida transplant, while Deb grew up in Tampa and tells us the havoc Hurricane Milton may wreak is terrifying.
Born and raised in Florida, Tampa, 47 years, I've only evacuated twice. Everyone's worried. It's being called the Century Storm.
There's already a catastrophic amount of debris on the roadsides left by Hurricane Helene as it barreled through less than 2 weeks ago, which could prove detrimental during Milton.
Massive concern. If they become flying missiles, if you will, when the wind picks up, or more debris in the water with storm surge.
The pair work in the insurance industry.
We've seen some devastation. Wildfires out west, hurricanes down south.
Now caught up on the other side of Mother Nature.
It's sad that we can't be the ones to serve now, and we have to be the ones to leave. It's scary.
It's been scary. I'm not going to lie. It's been very scary. Like I said, I've been there for many years, but this just feels different. I don't know why. It feels a little different, feels a little eerie.
Cortland Haird, a Fort Lauderdale resident, also taking no chances. Her dad on the way from southern Illinois to pick her up.
Once he found out how Milton was making this impact on the Florida area, he was like, we got to get your first flight out.
And even as folks arrive here, others are making their way south to help in the relief efforts. Amongst them, local activist Early Walker.
I mean, right now it's a huge hazard zone down there, and so we need these trucks to kind of clear out things.
He, along with Vehicle Management Solutions, a Chicago-owned company, sent 50 towing trucks and flatbeds to Florida yesterday, with another 20 starting the journey today, as those who've prepared their homes as best they can hope for the best.
Sending all my love to everybody in Florida as we prepare to the beginning and the end of Hurricane Milton. So we shall see.
Now, the Red Cross also speaking with WGN this evening, saying financial help, volunteer assistance and, most importantly, blood donation, all vital right now. We're going to have more information about blood drives and donation sites up on our website under this story. Well, live at O'Hare Airport, Brona Tumulty, WGN News.